Here's your coffee. Hey, man, I just have to say, I am a huge fan. Outkast, like, changed my life.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
So you're gonna collaborate with Andre 3000 again?
No.
How come?
People grow apart.
Greetings. May I have a half-calf, decaf, mint mocha latte, foam on the bottom, served in a flower vase, and if y'all got some green food coloring back there, throw it in.
Andre 3000!
In the flesh.
Big Boy is right over there! Big Boy!
I'm trying to read a book.
Hi, my name is Lichem Simang, and I'm interrupting your favorite show because there is an issue that's dear to my heart that I really need us to talk about. According to saferspaces.org, between 25 and 40% of South African women have experienced sexual or physical IPV. That's intimate partner violence. Look, we've run hashtags. We're tired. We've run ads. We're tired. Nothing changes. It can't be business as usual, guys. So it's time for us to act, to do something. If you need help, there are platforms available. You don't need to go through this alone. Let's come together and stop the violence.
What's up, my brother from another mother, man? And when I say mother, you know I'm talking about art, right? Because we got cut out of her womb.
What's up, man? What's up, Andre?
Andre who?
I ain't gonna say it, man.
It's not 2,999. It's not 3,001.
Andre 3000.
Hey, man, what happened to you after the show?
Yeah, I must have, like, snuck out or something like
I
that.
thought, perchance, you went missing.
Don't do the voices, man.
Do what voice, man?
Why you gotta do
Dear
the
boy.
voices, man? Why you doing the voice? Why you doing that, man?
One green, half calf, half decaf, mint mocha latte, foam on the bottom in a vase.
I got a new idea for an album, man. It's gonna be just the sound of screeching metal and then only one spoken word per track.
Cool, cool. Nah, don't do that, man.
That's one of them screeching metal sounds I was talking about earlier, man.
Half calf, half decaf, mint mocha latte, foam on the bottom in a vase or vase.
You ain't here. That's you the only that ever ordered that drink.
Yeah, okay, so what is going on with me? What is happening with...
Man, what the happened, man?
What are you talking about?
We used to be somebody, man. We used to be a team. We was on top. Then you went and lost your mind. Can we just lose this, man? Can we just lose the 3,000 and just have you talk as Andre? Tell me straight up, man, what happened?
You know what'd be even better, though, man? Is if you look into the pinwheel with your third eye.
I thought you was gonna say some stupid shit like that.
And everything will be removed.
All right, man, it's been good, man. Thank you. Thanks for seeing it.
Okay.
Come on
yeah.
by, man.
As a matter of fact, I got an appointment right now to go get fitted for a toga.
You gotta go.
Mm-hmm.
You leaving me, that's a... Don't do it.
May Eros, Artemis, and Apollo guide you through your musical journey.
What? Why does your breath smell like birdseed?
Au revoir. Thank you, Cafe Craftsman.
You're welcome. Sorry, he didn't actually pay for that drink.
I got it.
Yeah, yeah.